Baboys overrun ko na lang.
A day in the life as a Pedronian. Hi guys! So feeling ko wala akong masyadong masasabi dito sa day in the life vlog na to because this is so rush. And imbis na umaga ko siya sinimulan ko siya like just in recess when I was filming this video, and I was currently recording this gabi na. And this I was eating siomai rice pala with my best friend Rabino and Kaaya and Umali. We were just eating our lunch or no, yes, recess, and then overload yung kinakain ko with 2 nuggets and 1 siomai for some. And so like tapon siya dyan ng basura para mamaya like save the earth and environment. Dito sa part na to, dumating si Samantha, ayan, yung girl na nagpakita. And then the rest will follow, ayan. So, nainom lang ako dyan ng Milo. And, kasi tinitignan ko baka dumating na si Ma'am Nolasco. And, siguro mamaya update na lang kayo if may mga ganap pa sa school. So, sa part na to guys, uuwi na kami. Kasama ko si Jemmy. And after ko umuwi, bumili ako ng ice cream. And then, umuwi na ako sa bahay namin and kumain. So for now, that's it guys. See you on my next vlog.